can't get insurance for your scooters, can you? If he carries it home, do we have to seize it?
I mean, our viewpoint of these scooters, you ain't going to snap them out, so...
Well, that's what I mean. I'm not fucking going recovery if he needs to, mate.
No, this is...
What was that?
They're scooters. I don't know what it is.
The legislation on it is so rough at the minute, we don't know what's coming and going.
Alright, yeah, he seems fine. He's got a full licence and all that. It's just... He's just...
The problem is you can't get insurance now, because to get insurance you need some kind of registration number or an index. That's why the boy ones that people hire, they've got like little ones.
Right, Joseph, do you want to try and get up and go in the back of the ambulance so you can be checked? At least do your blood pressure, whatever the bare minimum is. Yeah? Do you need a hand?
No, I'll be alright.
Okay, let's get up then.
Just I want to give you a little bit of words of advice. So, these need insurance to be driven on a public road. So,
I wasn't on the road, I'll stick to the pavement.
even in the pavement. So, in a public place, you need to have insurance. We know you can't get insurance for them because they haven't got registration plates on them, so you can't get insurance. So, theoretically, I could seize this from you.
Have I got to ditch it, yeah?
Put him.
Have I got to sell it, get rid of it, yeah?
Well, you can ride it in a private place, so back garden, friends' fields, somewhere not on a public road. I'm not going to seize it because I think that's a bit harsh. This time on the premise that you and I don't have words over you driving this in public place again, because they are illegal.
Yeah, I'll have to get rid of it.
Because if it was a car you're in, I'd have to have it away. Alright, but I'm not going to do that to you. So either get rid of it or only ride it in a private...
Just ride it in a circle in your back garden.
In your house all day long. Alright?
You need to move yourself around. You've got the stairs.
This is injury on TC, so we do need to do a book.
I don't have a book.
I've got a book. Because I always kept it with me.
I had loads, I don't know where they are.
So we'll just grab his details to fill in the book.
Yeah.
And that's it. It's a bit shit, but it is what it is.
No, it's really bad.
Probably a bit of shock as well. Do you still want to take him in there, Ambo?
I mean, yeah, we'll check him over. Whether he goes to hospital or not, I don't know what they'll do for him, because he's not. If he's cracked a rib,
Yeah.
unfortunately they won't. We don't do a lot for that. I'm not too concerned about his head.
I
No.
feel a little bit dizzy, but I don't have a sore head, you know.
Let's get
Sound
you
right,
out
does
of
it?
the sun then.
What have you had to eat today? Like eggs?
I can't. It'd be me joining him there.
Do it on the grass if you're going to do it again.
I'm feeling a bit pain here.
I can't. I'm trying not to. The rain will do it. Yeah.
We're all for safe challenge.
These birds.
I'll take it.
Thank you.
I'll hold on to this if you go in the back of that, just so no one takes it while we're here.